In this video we are going to talk about the best outdoor patio furniture in this year, which is Keter outdoor patio furniture. We will be going over the special key features of this product, and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Outdoor bar table, elevate your next game day party. This portable bar table allows your guests to grab chilled beverages while never being far from any of the action. Pop-up bar and hidden cooler, lid elevates upwards 10 inches above the rim for use as a patio bar table. The top reveals a hidden cooler with 7.5-gallon capacity. Keep up to 40 12-ounces cans ice cold. Versatile use, when not being used as a party bar, shut the top and use as a patio coffee table. When elevated, it is the ideal height for use as a hot tub table, so you will always have a spot for your drink, snacks, and phone. All-weather resistant, unlike real rattan and wicker, the thick exterior resin prevents rusting, peeling, and denting in all weather conditions, rain or shine. Easy cleanup and LOW maintenance, built-in drainage plug makes cleanup a breeze. After the party is over and the ice is melted, simply pull the plug to drain the cooler and let it dry before putting it away until next time. Gifts for Dad, the perfect gift and outdoor bar set accessory for the #1 barbecue grill master in your life. It is the ultimate sidekick to his outdoor kitchen. Better with Keter, we are driven to invent. We create lifestyle solutions for use in and around the home in ways only we can. We design using sustainable and innovative technologies to create products that enhance people's spaces and elevate their experiences. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.